Hello everyone. This is to let you know that Dogs is going to be listed in about 1 day, 13 hours and 34 minutes from now. So the Dogs airdrop, which every one of us have been following up for some time now and have also been mining, is gradually becoming a reality. Now let's take a look at the Dogecoin launch pool. Okay, this is Tron launch pool, but this is Dogecoin. Okay, here are some information for you about Dogs Airdrop. So currently logged, we have 14 billion point dollars, 14 billion points dollars currently logged in the Dogs Airdrop. Now the total airdrop is 220. Is it 220 trillion or I don't know? But that's for that. You can count the zeros. Now project duration is 3 days and it ends in 1 day, 13 hours, 33 minutes. Now what we can also see here is that 183 million plus dollars has been raised. Okay, so that is Dogs ongoing. So Dogs, let's look at the project info. Let's see if we can get additional info. Let's see if we can get. So today's Dogs pool airdrop. Daily airdrops are set at a predetermined rate. You can see that. Maximum hourly airdrops 259,722.22. Total BNB logged 10936,247. Project duration 3 days. Participants 1 million plus participants. Wow. Alright, so that's Dogs airdrop. Now if you check the FDUSD, this is the details of that as well. Now one thing I want anyone coming into the crypto to understand is that by the nature of airdrops, if you follow all the required steps that is expected, you should be able to get the airdrop once it comes out, provided it is genuine. However, if you are unable to have a portion of it, that is not much of a problem. You can equally buy after a few days when it is launched. Preferably, you can consider buying maybe after a month when it is launched, because immediately it's launched, the price will soar high. That's not the best time for you to buy. If you have already missed the airdrop, you just have to wait. The price is going to soar high, it's going to skyrocket, and it's going to fall. Now when it falls, that is still not the best time to buy. You give it time to fall and stabilize, and the best period for that to happen is usually within maybe from 1 month, but 1 month is better. So all you just need to do is to hold on for the price to come down to a reasonable amount. It's no more being influenced by either sharks or the community. It has now come to a stable point. Then you can now categorically decide that you want to invest in the crypto on any platform you choose. So that's just my advice for anyone coming to buy crypto if you miss the airdrop. So that's all for now. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. If this is your first time coming to my channel, please do well to like this video. You can drop your comment and please subscribe. Smash the like button. It doesn't break. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now.